Namaste, this is Sakshi, and today we will do a very useful and healing practice to relieve lower back pain. Even if you do not have any lower back pain, this practice can really help you strengthen your back. When we talk about the lower back, it can either be a pain which is in the whole of our lower back, or it can be this throbbing, once in a while sensation which you feel running down your leg, which happens because maybe there is an injury in your sciatic nerve, which runs down from our lower back all the way into our hips and then down our leg. And that is called sciatica. And even to heal that, in either of the cases, the asanas that we are going to do today will really help you out. So let's get started. We'll start with Balasana. So Balasana is the child's pose in which you can go down on your mat to start with to relax your lower back. As we are relaxing our lower back in this, it helps to open up our hips and thighs and the lower back and strengthens or stretches our spine as well. So let's go down into Balasana. Now to look into a little bit more details of the Balasana, take a look at it from the front. So some people like to do the Balasana with their knees together, which can be like this. And here you can go down, then into the Balasana like this, bringing your forehead onto the ground and relaxing. If this variation feels more comfortable to you, then you can open your knees a little bit and then bend down and again stretch down into Balasana, at last placing the forehead onto the ground. And that is Balasana or child's pose. You should start relaxing your lower back in the starting of this practice with Balasana. And then after Balasana, we'll go into a little bit of back bends. So we'll come into Bhujangasana. For Bhujangasana, take your palms and be careful that you put them by the side of your chest. As you put them by the side of your chest, after that, try and bring your shoulders together, working from your thoracic or the middle back. And then from your thoracic back, just bring the shoulders together, lifting up. One thing to take care of in Bhujangasana, technically be careful that you're not stressing your neck because we don't want to be working our neck. So the neck should be free. You can even move the neck and see that you're only coming up by taking the shoulders together. More, you can check that you're working by taking the shoulders together and there is not any pressure in your palms so that you're not pushing down from your palms by going into this Bhujangasana and then taking the palms off the floor. And then come down. When we are doing any kind of healing practice, it is very important to be patient with your practice. And the more we try and coordinate the movement with the breath heals us. So try to do this Bhujangasana as well for the healing practice with the breath. Inhale and come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, go down. And keep doing this for a few times. This stretches the back and creates flexibility in the back, opening up the upper back. Then from Bhujangasana, this was Bhujangasana, and from there we'll go into Shalabhasana. For the practice of Shalabhasana, to do it correctly and strengthen your lower back, take your palms, don't place them on this bone, but place it over here on your thigh. Placing the palms onto the thigh, and then we'll go into Shalabhasana. Now the most important thing in the Shalabhasana or the locust pose is that you do not bend your knee. So we want to take the leg off the floor. As we are taking the leg off the floor, do not bend it and then take it off. Keep the knee straight, point your toes and then take it off the floor and lift it up. Again, as I said, important to coordinate the movement with the breath. So we'll take it from here with the breath, one leg by one leg. Point the leg first, straighten it, take it up, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. So that's part one of the Shalabhasana. As you start building up this practice, building the strength in your lower back, be very mindful, have your awareness when you're doing the practice for any kind of healing so that you are aware that your pain is not increasing with this practice and you build the strength. So then let's go into the second part, which is again bring the hands the same way, and this time we'll take both the legs up, keeping the legs straight first, pointing the feet. Inhale, take up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, up and exhale down. Like this, you can do 5 to 6 times. And then we will add the chest also into the third part of the Shalabhasana. Adding the chest, we'll do the similar action like we did it in the Bhujangasana, bringing our shoulders together. So inhale, bring the shoulders also together, lifting up, looking forward. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. And as you build the strength to do this, then also try and hold this asana, which is bring it over here with your chest up, legs also straighten up and hold. As you hold over here, keep a smile on your face, keep breathing and build the strength. So that is the whole of Shalabhasana. You can gradually build the practice of this asana. It is really recommended that even if you do not have time for the whole of your yoga practice, if you're trying to heal yourself, then take out 5 to 10 minutes for this practice every morning so that you're doing it regularly. You keep your patience and then you strengthen your lower back. And then after doing the Shalabhasana, you can come back into Balasana. Again, to stretch and relax the back a little bit. And then come up into sitting. So that is for today. These asanas are very important for starting building the flexibility and strength in your back, especially in your lower back. There's a lot more to cover, which I will be doing in the next videos. So if you want to keep watching, please subscribe to this channel. If you have any comments or thoughts, please write in the comment section below. Thank you.